Alright guys, here with another how-to video. We are actually wiring up running lights for my car. This is just demonstration, so I just got some headlights and taillights from the car here that we're going to be using. So we'll turn this on, and as you can tell, the back tails come on, our running lights are on. You look at the front here, both front headlights are on. Okay, so we will show you how we did this and running it on a toggle switch. Like I said, this is going in a race car, a street car really, so everything's going to be ran by toggle switch on the car. So we'll run through this real quick. We'll unplug this. You'll need a 4-pin relay to make these work. So what we'll do here is we're going to disconnect the power, get that off of there. This is, so we're going to run through this once we undo all these. Okay, we got our 4-pin relay, and here is our switch. So we'll switch off here. Okay, so now we got our switches, we got our relay. So now we have to wire everything. So what we are going to do is, we got 2 hot wires. We're going to pull them out. Everything's kind of tangled up here. I've been using it for a minute. Our hot wire is going to go into pin 30, which this is pin 30. This is pin 87. This is pin 86. And this is pin 85. 85 is your ground. 30 is your hot source from your battery. And pin 87 goes to whatever you are powering. And this pin 86 comes from your switch. So what we want to do is, this is our power wire to our battery. We are going to put this on pin 30. And this is our ground wire here. So don't mind the other connector there. We're using that for another relay. Pin 85 is your ground, which you can see right there. It'll be the one here. So next we are going to, this is our power wire to our running lights, which it goes to every corner of the car. And I grounded everything all at one time to the battery. So this is going to go to 87 right here. Get that go on there. I can get this one stuck here. There we go. That one's in the way. Alright. So that goes to what we're wanting to turn on. And then our switch wire from our switch is going on pin 86. So we're going to start over here. This is going to be our switch wire right here, guys. So we'll go ahead and hook this to pin 86 on the relay. Then we're going to come over here and ground. The ground is the copper at the top. Your power inlet is at the bottom. I know that's a little weird, but there it is. And we have a ground right here. Let me pull this out. Our ground wire right here. So we'll put our ground wire on. Then, like I said, we hooked up our switch wire. So that's, oh, this is our switch wire, sorry. Messed up there, guys. From pin 86 goes to our switch, which this is our switch. Once it's turned on, this is our actual power. So here's our power wire here. This goes to the battery. So we're going to put that there on the bottom of the switch, guys. Power, this goes to what you're turning on, and the top one is your ground. Well, the copper on these switches, the copper is ground. So we have our switch off, and Here's our grounds. Our ground is hooked up to the battery. We need to hook our powers up. So here's my power. I actually have a wing nut on my battery, so I'm able to hook this up pretty easily. So now we got this on. Now, theory, it's on. Now, our fronts are on and our backs are on. So it's pretty easy to wire up, guys. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything, and see you guys next time.